I must say that I am looking at a far younger Sandeep ji today, from 96.5 kgs to 84 kgs, 12 and a half kilos lost. That was your target. You've also lost huge number of inches across your waist and your hip. So tell us, what was your motivation?
It has been a wonderful journey with you, Sapalika. I'm really thankful and grateful to Sapalika for supporting me so well. I had a vision of, fitting myself into my designer shirts. One of the shirts I'm wearing right now, after probably 4 years, 4 to 5 years. And there have been quite a few shirts, and I'll be putting on those as well. So it gives me really great pleasure. It gives me a feel good factor that I am back, normal and doing well, and I can, I'm feeling very active, feeling young, and it makes me really happy.
Wonderful. It's such a great pleasure to hear that it's not just about the weight loss, but there is an energy that is increased. There is a joy for life that comes back once. We always tell our patients, don't think of it only as weight loss. Literally think of it as personality gain as well. You're looking so lovely in your designer shirt, as you put it, and so awesome that all those shirts are coming back. But tell us, was this journey initially difficult? For example, one simple question that a lot of our patients ask is, roti kaise chhod dein? So, what is your experience?
See, I had my, thought process that I wanted to go gluten free, but I did not have the options. Now, after going through this journey of Sepalika, I realized that there are a lot of good options which have been shared with me quite on a regular basis. On probably fortnight basis, I was being given alternate recipes, which I was absolutely not aware of. I mean, it has been really awakening for me to understand that these all options are also available when one can eat healthy and one can feel it's tasty as well. Like when we started with being sugar free. So sugar free initially was a little tough, but then there were certain recipes given by Sepalika where I took over and I adhered to those things, and it was initially it was a little tough, but subsequently it became a lot easier. Then subsequently we went for sugar free, then we went for dairy free. Dairy free again, there was a beautiful set of recipes given by your company, that these are the alternate recipes you can try in the night, in the afternoon. So I started following that, and gradually when I saw my inches getting better and better and my weight getting better, so it was also a great motivation to continue.
Fantastic.
Subsequently, we went for wheat free, which was my desire to be gluten free. But I didn't realize that one could be gluten free, wheat free, and still one could enjoy eating.
Awesome.
The way we had a journey like with Sapalika, so it was a great experience, I would say.
Fantastic, sir. Thank you for being so articulate as well. So when you were mentioning dairy, it really rang a bell for me, because I remember there was one point at which the weight and the inches got stuck, and then it was that small amount of milk that you gave up in your tea and coffee, and the little bit of curd that you were trying, and just that dairy elimination made such a beautiful difference to the inches.
You would not believe it that there had not been a single day when you never used to have curd in the afternoon. And as it is, tea is a little addiction, milk tea is a little addiction. So we could overcome it with green tea. Green tea was replaced with milk tea, and dahi, curd was again an addiction, but it was easy for me to leave.
Awesome.
I could, like, initially 1 or 2 days it was a little difficult, but subsequently I understood that if I have to go for an inch loss, which I was not knowing earlier, I was suggested by your company that if you go for dairy free, probably the weight which I am reducing as of now, I could look at inch loss as well, and which happened. I mean, in 2 weeks time I lost inches, and another subsequent 2 weeks time again we started on dairy, and we realized that the inch loss is a little less. So finally we again went for dairy free, and I could achieve my goal and target.
And that is so interesting, because none of us is created exactly like the other person, and to be able to discover like a personal food code for life, that whenever you want to give up inches, whenever you want to lose inches, for you dairy is a secret key, that can now be used effectively. For some other people, we have
Absolutely.
seen, it's rice, or it's even that little tukda of mithai, but it's so interesting that for you it's dairy is the secret key. Ji, I also
In fact,
wanted
it has become a lifestyle. Sorry,
no, please carry
you're
on.
saying something? It has become a lifestyle change for me now. I mean, forever now, I've told my daughter, my wife, that now I would be starting with raw in the morning. That means generally I have fruits with almonds. And in the night, I have totally stopped having any chapati, where I was really, addicted for chapati in the night, chapati and rice. So I have absolutely stopped that. And I mean, I look forward to my dinner now without chapati and without rice. It's been a great lifestyle change for me.
Awesome.
And I told them that now forever I will never continue with the same process which I used to have, eating process. ठीक है, in the afternoon I go for little rice or chapati, which I have started again. But again, there are a lot of options which again your company suggested me that if you want to go for less of gluten, so you can go for khapli atta. So we have put that also in our diet in the afternoon. So that way I feel that there has been a lot of learning for me.
Awesome.
Great learning.
One last question, Sandeep ji, because we have discussed this a few times, which has to do with your blood pressure medication. How does it feel to be finally off it?
Oh, that has been a wonderful experience, great experience. I've been telling my daughter for so many years now. I had my angioplasty 4 years back in 2016. So I told her that I'm not happy taking my blood thinner at all. I mean, we need to, look at an option, because I was seriously looking for an option. Then subsequently, when I think we discussed with you and you came out with a solution of omega-3 as a replacement for blood thinner, and I'm feeling very happy. I mean, I'm so happy that I can claim now that I am totally allopathic medicine free. So
Awesome.
that gives me a real great feel good factor, which keeps you really motivated for the other activities which you do during the day.
This has been such an awesome journey, Sandeep ji. We wish you all the very best. We are sure that you're going to
Thank
spread the message to other people as well, because
Surely, definitely.
nothing spreads the message more than just seeing actually visually somebody changing. And 12 kilos is a visual change. We have shown your image during this particular conversation a few times to the audience, and they can see the visible change that has happened. So thank you so much for your dedication and for your sincerity, and wish you all the very best and vibrant health and well-being.